Here's a vlog about nothing, just the Junkyard family.
All right. It's bath time for Stewie. See, as you can tell, Stewie he's a little dirty. But I spoil my buddy. He fits right into my igloo here, our igloo ice chest. And I get a 5-gallon bucket of water. I make it nice and toasty. I don't use the faucet because that water's too cold. Or the hose, so I use this water. And we got some doggy soap here because my buddy smells. Water here on his face. He hates when I do his face. That's it. Let's get all under there. Uh-oh. It's starting to rain. Just a passing storm here. I try to get my kids to help me. Fortunately, Lexi finally did.
I always help.
Yeah, trying to get these kids to help. Lexi's better than the other one, the older one. She's one of those kids just, you know, she's at the age where they know all. Doesn't work that way, kids. Remember, your parents know.
Look at the boy, he looks so sad.
He just doesn't like this.
He's so cute.
I changed his diet lately. He's eating a lot more. Got him some new food because he wasn't eating the last food we had for him. So I got him some new food. And he loves it. He's eating it all. But at the same time, he's starting to gain a little weight.
A little?
But that's all right. You know, he's almost 11 years old. That's it, buddy. You're done. Shake. Shake.
You got me wet, dang dog.
That's my buddy. He's my good friend. Stewart. S-T-E-W-A-R-T. Stewart. 11 years old in a few weeks. Got some thunderstorms going up. It's an ugly skies out there. I don't know if we're going to be able to go out anywhere for 4th of July tonight. We'll find out. Anyway, let me finish drying him off. There he is. All nice and clean. I didn't get him totally dry, but this is what he goes done that, and then he goes out and just he goes messes in the grass. He does this every time. He'll just have to get another bath. Oh my God. There you go. Happy 4th, buddy. Anyway, it's 4th of July. I got some fireworks for you. Here you go. So with this, last minute pretty much, got some videos coming up this week. One Tuesday, I got like 3 more in the box. Probably going to put about 4 more in the box. Got some other things going on. See what I can get those in there. I got some decent games. Now again, my average gameplay is my average gameplay. You're going to get what you get, but hopefully you enjoy the commentary. So you just got to, you get what you get. You know, I ain't no Blame Truth or anybody like that who gets 30 and 1 kills all the time. It's not me. But other than that, I'm just, you know, I don't really have too much else to share. Again, my kids are inside. They're doing their thing. Happy 4th of July. Needless to say, keep gaming. Squirrel! Get him!